Welcome to Tech Geek. The demand of the situation has always invited new inventions. In fact, what is even the history of mankind without the invention of gadgets? Presenting to you, the coolest gadgets for your gaming room. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Number 1. HD60s. Stream and record your finest gaming moments with HD60s. With a slick exterior, streamlined curves and striking LED status strip, HD60s outperforms in appearance alone. But the real power lies within. Stunning 1080p 60 quality leaves no doubt that you're serious about your craft, while a state-of-the-art, reversible USB-C connector gets you hooked up in a snap. It's plug-and-play taken to the next level, literally. HD60s features a reliable, high-performance USB 3.0 connection to bring instant game view to an external capturing solution for the first time. Now, your stream is powered by superior low-latency technology that gets you up and running on Twitch or YouTube in no time. With HD60s, wield the power of advanced GPU acceleration to seamlessly record hours of your gameplay. Then access your content right where you need it. Number 2. Stream Deck. With Stream Deck, unleash your creative genius and make waves across Twitch and YouTube. All while focusing on what matters most, your audience. 15 LCD keys poised to launch unlimited actions eliminate the need to map and memorize keyboard shortcuts. One-touch, tactile operation lets you switch scenes, launch media, adjust audio and more, while visual feedback confirms your every command. Traditionally, this level of control was exclusive to mainstream entertainment broadcasters. Now, it's at your fingertips. Stream Deck integrates your tools and automatically detects your scenes, media, and audio sources, enabling you to control them with a quick tap of a key. Number 3. NIGHTHAWK X6. The NIGHTHAWK X6 AC3200 router with breakthrough tri-band Wi-Fi technology was built to connect to each and every device in your home, automatically and simultaneously. Laptops, tablets, phones, TVs, game consoles, music streamers, cameras. If it's Wi-Fi enabled, it's X6 accelerated. A powerful combination of features, wireless speed of up to 3.2 gigabits per second, 3 Wi-Fi bands, Smart Connect intelligence, and dynamic QoS guarantees every device is assigned the fastest Wi-Fi connection possible and optimized for maximum speed. Netgear Armor is included to provide best-in-class cybersecurity for all the internet-connected devices in your home. It is the first line of defense for your home network with an extra layer of security that protects your family from malware, stolen passwords, identity theft, and hacker attacks. Circle Smart Parental Controls on the router lets you easily manage content and time online on any connected device. There's never been a Wi-Fi like this. Number 4. Razer ORBWEAVER. The Razer ORBWEAVER Chroma gives you total control in the palm of your hand. Get access to infinite commands and macros while enjoying the same clicky satisfaction as a mechanical keyboard. Get ready to reinvent the way you game. Designed from the ground up specifically for gaming, the multi-award-winning Razer mechanical switches have an optimized set of actuation and reset points that improve your gaming performance by giving you speed and responsiveness like never before. Its main features include 30 fully programmable keys including an 8-way thumb pad, adjustable, hand, thumb and palm rest modules to let you customize the most comfortable experience with the keypad during marathon gaming sessions. Number 5. SteelSeries Stratus. Easily game on the go with any Android or Windows device. No software needed, pair and play on Windows, Android, Oculus Go, and Samsung Gear VR via Bluetooth or the USB wireless adapter. Steam-enabled, play 5000+ controller-enabled Steam games. Lithium-ion battery for 20+ hours plus charging while gaming. Number 6. VORTX. VORTX produces physical effects like wind and heat synced with game conditions in real time to help users experience the on-screen environment and intensify immersion, introducing an entirely new category of PC gaming peripherals. Software Engine's custom ambience technology analyzes audio and video streams to recognize game context and trigger effects that mirror your environment. Feel pulses of heat with every explosion, icy air in sub-zero climates, or the wind whipping across your face as you dive into an intense battle royale match. An LED-framed adjustable sensitivity dial helps you choose the perfect temperature and airflow for an experience tuned to your surroundings. Select an idle color that matches your rig, and during gameplay, VORTX will match the scene on your screen and sync with your other peripherals. Gaming just got cooler. Number 7. Sony PlayStation 5. The PS5 stands vertically, like the Xbox Series X is primarily designed to be placed, and will include two versions, one with a 4K Blu-ray drive and a pure digital edition. The PS5 variant without the optical drive looks substantially thinner than the regular model thanks to the removal of the drive. Sony has also created a number of accessories for the PS5, including a DualSense charging station, a new HD camera, a Pulse 3D wireless headset, and a media remote. Sony has not yet announced pricing for any of its accessories, or whether they will all launch alongside the new PS5 consoles. We hope you liked our video. Comment down your favorite gaming gadget of all these. Subscribe for more of our videos on your feed. If you liked our content, don't forget to click on the like button. Thanks for watching.